Welcome. So the thing on which we are going to discuss today is links, or its color. We can jig by color the link is visited, unvisited, or active. First of all, if we discuss what is unvisited link. So you will see that the link must be in blue color or underlined. You can click on it or visit the page which you want. While moving to number 2 is visited link. So we can judge the visited link with its purple color or it is also underlined. So it means you already visited that link, that's why it's purple. You can again visit this. No 3 is active, link is underlined and it's in red color. Basically, link color specifies that the hyperlink is visited or not. So while going practically as here, you can see we created 3 links. All are same. So now as you can see, I am going to visit the first one. If we click on this and go to the next web page, you can see here it will convert to pupil color. Means it's showing that this is visited. Now you can see first is unvisited, so its color is not changed. Point 3 ard 1 is active link. If you want to change the color, so change it through the coding, and after changing you can see here what's the change is created. As you can see here, we changed the color of links through coding. I converted the links in green color. After opening, their color will be converted to yellow. As you can see the second link. Because we changed the color of unvisited link to green and visited to yellow. So if we open or click all links one by one, you can see here. Color of all links changed to yellow because these all are visited now, so that's how you can judge or change the color of the link in HTML CSS. Okay, this is the best practical example you can see here. For this, what we will do, HTML document for links is created. Now firstly, if we want to create a link, we will type letter A and press enter. So you can get this here, you have to give name to the link and here the link address. So as here I am giving the address of Google and give it the name Chrome, or save it and check the result on our web page. As here you can see our link is created. Now we will do same with next two, you can see. In second one, giving the link of Instagram login page. And giving YouTube to third one. So as you can see here, 3 links are created, so we will click all of them one by and check them. So here you can see the result. That's the process of creating link like a button in CSS HTML.